I'm Anil Kumar. We will solve a radical equation which has square roots in it. There are two terms with square roots in this equation. Let us solve equation square root of 3 plus 2x plus square root of 3 minus x equals to 3. The first step is keep one radical on one side, the other on the other side. So what we will do is we'll rewrite this as 3 plus 2x square root equals to 3 minus square root of 3 minus x. Now if we square both sides, let me write down the steps. Let us square both sides. In that case, we get 3 plus 2x on the left side, and squaring this gives us 3 squared, which is 9, minus 2ab, which is 6 square root of 3 minus x, plus square of this square root term, which is 3 minus x, correct? So we use this formula here, a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is equals to 3 and b is equals to square root of 3 minus x, correct? Now we can simplify this a bit. We get 3 plus 2x on the right side, 9 plus 3 is 12 minus 6 times square root of 3 minus x minus x. Now it's a good idea to bring square root terms on one side, so we will get 6 square root 3 minus x on the left side. So we are taking this term on the left side, all others on the right side. Right? 12 minus x minus 3 minus 2x, correct? So what we did here was this term we brought on the left side and all other terms on the right side. Now we can rewrite, simplify this a bit. 12 minus 3 is 9 and 9 minus 3x is equals to 6 times square root 3 minus x. You could divide by 3, so we get 2 square root 3 minus x, dividing by 3, all the terms 3 minus x, that's a common factor. And now we can actually square both sides, correct? Or 3 minus x, you could solve it by factoring also. You can solve it by factoring also, or we could square and then solve also, right? So we could do either way. So in that case, if we square both sides, we get 4 times 3 minus x equals to square of 3 minus x. Now square of 3 minus x is 9 minus 6x, 2 times this, plus x squared. And here we get 4 times 3, 12 minus 4x. Now let us solve this equation on the right side. So we'll bring x terms on one side. This is a quadratic equation. Let's bring all the terms to the right side. So we have 0 equals to x squared minus 6x plus 4x plus 9 minus 12. That gives us x squared minus 2x minus 3. This can be factored. Product we need at minus 3, sum as minus 2. So 3 minus x minus 3 times x plus 1 is the solution, right? Factored form. And that gives us two possible solutions. One is x equals to 3, the other one is x equals to minus 1. Now these are your possible solutions. What you need to do now is to check your solutions. So let us check x equals to 3 first. So if I write 3 in the equation, what do I get? I get square root of 3 plus 3 times 2 is 6 plus square root of 3 minus 3, that is 0. And here we get square root of 9, which is indeed 3. So that works for us. Now let us check x equals to minus 1. So if I write minus 1 here, we get square root of 3 minus 2 plus square root of 3 minus 1 plus 1 is minus plus, right? So we get square root of 1, which is 1 plus. This is 4, square root is 2. We also get 3. So both are correct. And therefore, our solution is x equals to 3 or minus 1. It is important to check the solutions at times. When we square both sides, we may incorporate errors, right? That is why. And every time when you get some solution, you have to check and then write down the final answer. I hope this helps. Thank you and all the best.